Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do makeup for beginners, and I'm going to use affordable makeup, drugstore makeup. So you are a beginning makeup, you don't have too much money for buy expensive makeup, or you don't want to spend a lot of money with luxury makeup. You don't need the same products I'm going to use today. You can use your product and try to do something different. First, you need to prepare your skin using your moisturizer and your favorite SPF. I did my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I used the NYX brow tint pen. My shade is the shade ash brown. And for my lips I use this one over here. This is my favorite lip oil. This is from NYX and is the shade Mist Coal. I love this lip oil. I use it every single day, and when I do makeup I use this because this is very good. So eyebrows done, lips prepare, my skin is ready for start to do makeup. So I start for eyes, but you can start for your skin wherever. Makeup doesn't exist wrong or right, or a rule you need to start for eyes and then your face. No, you can start wherever you want. You want face, go ahead. You want to start for eyes, let's go to do our eye makeup. So for palette I'm going to use this one over here. This is from Morphe. This is the 35L Ultra Lavender, and this palette is beautiful. I like this palette because of this. You have lavender tones, and you have nude tones. So you can use a lavender tone or nude, and you have a dark brown. Is very good, and you have transition shades. So you have a shimmer shade. So I think this palette is good. So you can find this palette at LOOKFANTASTIC, and I think it's a very good price. So for eyes I'm going to apply my concealer all over my crease. So this is the concealer I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Revolution L'Oreal Filter Finish. My shade is the shade C3, and I'm going to apply all over my crease. I'm going to blend it with a brush. Before I'm starting to do my makeup eyes, I'm going to use this this set brush. This is from Near Beauty. They sent me this set of brush, and this is so beautiful, girls. In here says I love beauty. It's very beautiful. In the box you have a sponge. It's a very good sponge, and you have this this thing. This is for you clean your brush. You put like this and you clean your brush. It's good. We have a case with the brush, and this is good for traveling. And in here we have a brush. So this is the brush we have a base brush, a lip brush, and eye brush. So look this brush, you can see, look this is incredible. I love it, this brush. This is for face brush. We have 5 brush for face, 6 brush for eyes, and we have a lip brush. You have every brush you need in this set. You don't need this. I'm going to do my entire makeup with this set. So I'm going to start with this brush. This is a blending brush, and I'm going to use transition shades, and for transition shade I'm going to use this one. It's so hot because I have a big light over here and I have the window over here, so it's so hot today. So I'm going to start with my outer V, blending in my crease. And I'm gonna clean my brush and blending inside of my eye. Now I'm going to blend everything. My first shade is done. Now I'm going to take pencil brush, something like this. I'm going to use this one, the dark shade, and I'm going to deposit in my other V again. But this time I want this shadow here. Okay, done. Now I'm going to take my first brush, a blending brush, and I'm going to blending. Now I'm going to use this shade called, this one is a light nude, and I'm going to apply in my one corner. Okay, next I'm going to use my first brush and I'm going to blend in my edges. This one, you can see, I'm going to the swatch. You can see now, it's a very light shade. I'm going to apply with my fingers. Okay, done. Now I'm going to do this eye off camera and I will be back. I finished my eye makeup and now I'm going to apply my favorite mascara, and this mascara is so good. So this is my favorite mascara. This is from L'Oreal. This is the Lash Paradise. Mine is almost empty. You can see my lashes. My lashes look so beautiful. I love this mascara. This mascara is so good. Now let's go to do our face. So this is from E.L.F. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. My shade is the shade Fair. Here and here. So I'm going to blend in with my foundation brush. For my foundation, I'm going to use this one, UOMA Beauty. This brand is available in Super Drugstore and is affordable makeup. And this foundation is very good. So this is the Flawless L'Oreal Skin Perfecting Foundation, and my shade is the shade White Pearl, the medium to full coverage. Start with my center face. I want more coverage in my center face and my edges face. I want more light to light coverage. So I'm going to start with my center face and I'm going to blending with my edges. I apply my foundation in the half of my face, and this is with foundation and this is without foundation. You can see the difference. The difference is very good, and the coverage is good. Now I apply for medium coverage in my under eyes. I'm not going to apply foundation because next I'm going to use a concealer. So you don't need to apply foundation and next concealer. No. For my concealer, I'm going to use this one again. This is from Revolution L'Oreal Filter Finish Concealer. This is soft matte concealer, and my shade is the shade C3. and I'm going to apply in my under eye here and a little bit here. And in my under eyes, I'm going to blending with a concealer brush. So I'm going to start to blending. So my concealer, it's done. So for my cream bronzer, this is my favorite cream bronzer from Drugstore Makeup. This is from Revolution. This is the Ultra Cream Bronzer, shade Light. And I'm going to use this brush. This is a very good bronzer. You apply too much, blending with your foundation brush, and everything's good. For my cream blush, I'm going to use this one. This is from Revolution. This is a fast base blush. The shade Bear. It's a very beautiful peach pink blush. I'm going to use this brush. I used this before to apply my bronzer, and now I'm going to use this brush to apply my blush. Okay, my blush is done. Now I'm going to apply my powder products, and for my bronzer I'm going to use this one. This is from BEAUTYBAY, Fawn. I'm going to use this brush. I don't need too much powder products because we used cream products before, so we don't need too much powder products. Now for my blush, I'm going to use this one. This is from Juvia's Place, and this have two blush. I like these two together, so I'm going to use this one again a little bit. Look at this. Ooh, beautiful. I love this palette. Now for my highlight, I'm going to use this one. This is from Revlon, shade 201. It's a very beautiful highlight. It's a very beautiful highlight. I'm going to use a pencil brush. Let's go to apply the dark shade, the light shade. I'm going to use a blending brush. I'm going to use my setting spray. This is from NYX. This is a dewy finish. Mine is almost finished. Everything mine is almost finished. Oh Jesus. For my lipstick, I'm going to use this from E.L.F. and this shade Cream. It's a nude lipstick. It's a very beautiful nude. Which one is better? I don't know. I'm going to use this one. This is from Essence. This is Extreme Shine Volume Lipstick. The shade 08 Gold. So this is the final look. What do you think? It's easy, it's hard. I love it. Looks so beautiful, looks so elegant. So what do you think? Do you like it? I hope so, because it's a very beautiful look. So girls, I hope do you like it, this tutorial. I love it. I love this makeup. Looks so incredible, looks so beautiful. And see you in my next video. Bye!